Hello, back with another unboxing. This little tiny box, JK, it's a humongous, big, large box. This one shipped it from, this is say, it's all faded. It's hard to see. If I remember correctly on the tracking, they said it shipped it from the state of Georgia all the way down south to Texas, yo. So let's unbox it anyways. It's a large thing. Probably rolled up. Hopefully it's the correct one. So, can't reach it. Trying to pull it out. Maybe it's attached to something. Right now. The only way I can get it out. You can see. Finally, that's difficult. You guys want to see? See it? Okay, back up a little bit now. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, nice and fluffy there. Oh, I like it. Oh, nice and fluffy. It's a rug. It's a rug of Boston Celtics. See their big logo with Lucky the Leprechaun. It says Boston. Not too bad. Not too bad. So I have this rug now. This is how it looks in the back in case you're curious. It's very soft, guys. Very soft. Now I'm going to put it right here on the floor in front of my desk. And there it is. Right on the floor. Hard to straighten it. May have to vacuum it a little bit since it came rolled up. It's hard to keep it straight. But there it is. The Boston Celtics rug. Yeah, very nice. So that's how it looks from afar. And you can zoom in. You can see nice little rug. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. Till next time.